Alright, well I wanted to show you the basics of the breakthrough site on the admin panel. So this is the front of the site, and I'll show you now how to get into the back of the site. You'll type in the domain address of bccsite.org/wp-admin. This will get you to the login screen. Once you're at the login screen, you'll go ahead and type in your login, which has been set up already. So if you have the password, you just type that in, the username, and then this is the dashboard. The dashboard is where you're going to edit all the different pages of the site. Once you make an update on the dashboard area, then you'll be able to see it, and it affect what the user sees on the front side. So the back end is made up of this main menu over here. So we'll just take a quick tour of the main menu of the dashboard for the breakthrough WordPress dashboard. So right now, pages is one of the main areas. You'll come in to edit the pages. You can go through here and see all the different pages that we have on the site. If you want to edit one of these pages, you'll just click into it, and it'll bring up the editor for that particular page. So if we go back one screen, you'll notice that these titles here correspond to the titles that are across the top, the names of these pages, and even the drop downs that are located right here. That's the pages. The next major thing you're going to make edits to is the events. Events looks like this. We'll get into more details on how to edit the events in a different video, but that's where it is, to edit the events that show up on the events page, which is right here. Once you click on the calendar, you're able to go in and you're able to see the actual information for a particular event. I will point out that I have two different tabs going on. When you're editing, it's a lot easier to have two tabs, one with the front side and one with the dashboard. That way you're able to make changes on the dashboard and very quickly reference the front of the site, which is what is live, that the user experiences. The other thing you're going to edit is down here, the media. Media is this section right here, where all the videos and audio files are located for the user to be able to play and watch sermons. They're all located underneath this media. I'm sorry, the message. You're actually located underneath the message tab, which is down here. So messages, series, this is where we're going to go in to make all those edits, to update messages, to add a new one or add a new series, that sort of thing. We'll show you that in a different video. Media is a different area. That's where all the images are located. Any audio file or any image is located in the media library. So it uploads it here and saves it for use in on the website anytime you need it. So that's what media is. We'll skip down to users. Users is where you can see all the different administrators that are allowed on the site. If you need to add a new user, you can add a new user, or if you needed to update a login, a username, or a password, this is where you'd come to make those changes. The last thing we're going to look at is Widget Kit. This is where we can edit the, right up here underneath slideshow, this is where we can edit the home page slider, which is this area on the home page right here that slides between the different events. So Widget Kit, and then you go to slideshow on this submenu, and then you'll click into home page, and then I'll show you in a different video how to make edits to update that slider. But that's pretty much the tour of the dashboard area. The main things you're going to use, again, are pages. You're going to skip down to media, events up here, messages, users, and Widget Kit. Everything else you can leave alone. It's already preset to optimize the website itself.